In this module, we are going to talk about types of poverty and inequality. Absolute poverty. Absolute poverty is not confined to low income, but it is also characterized by deprivation of following basic human needs, that is food, clean water, sanitation, health, shelter, education. These are the basic, or you may call least basic communities of life that any individual needs in time. Unfortunately, owing to the inequalities we learned earlier, are not available to the developing part of the world, especially in Africa. Another type of poverty is relative poverty, referred to the individuals or groups that lack resources in comparison to the other members of the society. Relative standard of living. People lack the minimum amount of income. Relative poverty offers across countries. It changes over the period of time, owing to the inequality of wealth or economic distribution of uneven distribution of economic fruits. Such type of inequalities cause that relative poverty in different parts of the world. What is the positive impact of globalization? More efficient global markets, international allocation of labor and capital, greater employment opportunities, economic interdependence has increased, cheaper imports and larger exports, and free trade. Globalization definitely helps out everyone if everyone is ready to grab the opportunity in time. Because if the individual is not ready to grab the opportunity, he or she is living in the developed part or in the developing part, they are going to lose that opportunity. So one should be mentally prepared to grab the opportunity if there is any. Negative impact of globalization. Global commerce is dominated by developed countries. Increased gap between the rich and the poor. Income inequalities. Increased rural indebtedness. This increased rural indebtedness happens owing to the feudal system. The areas where there is feudal system, there is an increased rural indebtedness. Lower per capita income of farmers. Small producers are subjected to hardship. When there are rich and poor having unequal distribution of wealth resources and they lack wisdom, I mean, especially the poor part, lack wisdom and never try to grab the opportunity in time, it always suffers. Other negative impact of globalization: unpredictable job market, dominance of industries of the developed nations, no protection of the domestic industries, wealth is not equally distributed, increased prices of commodities of daily use. Well, a bit exaggerated, I would say that why There is a dominance of industries of the developed nations because they are working more efficiently, grabbing opportunities in time. And every country has the right to make a policy to protect the local business. If any political elite, owing to its corruption, not protecting the local industry, it is not the fault of the developed country. It is fault of the political elite of the developing country. Therefore, these types of poverty and inequalities, I would say, are more owing to the domestic problems instead of any foreign problems.